I do a Senegalese twist, or what we call a rope twist braid. The first thing I'm going to do is section the hair. And that section, I'm going to part it in two, and then I'm going to go and get my extension. Now I'm going to find the center of the extension, the middle of the extension, and I'm going to hold it and put it right in the middle of the two pieces of hair. I'm going to secure the left side in my left hand and use my pointer finger to hold the extension in place. Now I'm going to secure the right side between my pointer finger and my middle finger. Now moving back to the left side, I'm going to start twisting and rolling the hair, which is rolling the extension and the natural hair together, twisting it until it's tightly snugged against the scalp. I'm going to move to the other side where I'm going to do one big twist around and bring that across to the left side and the left side across to the right side, and that's how we start our twist. When I'm doing this part, I'm ensuring that I hold my fingers close to the scalp so that the braid will be tied from the scalp down.